In this video, I'm going to show you a quick fix if your device cannot start code 10 driver error on Windows 10 or Windows 11. So this should be a quick and easy process. If you have this problem, I recommend you first to restart your computer to see if this problem will still persist. So go ahead first, restart your computer, and after that, if you still have a problem, the next step you can do is to go ahead to the search menu and then type in Device Manager. After that, just click on Open, and now the Device Manager window will open up for you. Just go ahead, expand the network adapters, and if you have an adapter disabled, you can go ahead, find here if you can enable it, or you can also just update the driver that you have the problem with. Then click on Browse, which is the second option. Then click Only Me Pick. After that, choose your driver, then click on Next, or you can also just enable it from here if it's disabled. Now the next step you can do is to open up the command prompt. After that, just click on Run as Administrator and then click on Yes. After that, this window will pop up for you. Just go ahead, type in ipconfig and then space/forward flush DNS and make sure flush DNS is written in one word. Then hit enter, and now this message will pop up for you, successfully flushed. After that, just go ahead, type in netsh winsock reset, so just type everything correctly. Then hit enter. Now you can just go ahead and restart your computer for changes to take place. So just go ahead to search menu and then restart your computer. So this was an easy and quick process video. As always, thank you for watching.